Storm Tracker 12 weather with Chief Meteorologist Matt Hoffman.
Here's a look at the big picture that we have across the Pacific Northwest. So the storm system that brought some wet weather to the coast today, that is weakening and moving out. But this is our next storm system that we'll be tracking for Thursday. But in the meantime, everybody going to see a dry day tomorrow. And it will be warmer as well. In the Rogue Valley, a mix of sun and clouds for your Wednesday. Temperatures pushing 60 by the noon hour and then getting into the low 70s for afternoon highs, up to 72 in Grants Pass, Medford, and Wairika. We'll get up to 68 in Klamath Falls, 65 degrees for you folks in Lakeview, and 60 along the coast in Brookings. Much lighter winds for tomorrow as well. Rain will return to the coast though on Thursday. Winds will be blustery as well. Notice that cool down as we wrap up the work week. Taking a look at your snow report for the Mount Shasta Ski Park. Not that many days left to ski Shasta. We will have some mild weather over the next couple of days. Readings in the 50s. Maybe a little bit of a rain snow mix on Friday, but these would be very light showers. Not expecting really much in the way of rain or snow accumulation. Take a look at Stormcast. Here's how things pan out for us as we go through the middle of the week. It's going to be a dry day tomorrow, mix of sun and clouds. Beautiful spring day. Thursday, it starts off fairly quiet, but winds will pick up as we go through the day. Here comes the rain by around midday along the coast. Showers try to work inland, but nothing too terribly impressive. And not much is going to make its way east of the Cascades. So much of Thursday is likely going to be dry for the basin. And then as we head into Friday, definitely a lot more in the way of clouds. It's going to be cooler, blustery, and there will be the chance at least for some pop-up showers, especially on the east side and into Siskiyou County. Definitely not a washout though throughout southern Oregon and northern California. Friday, we do have the Pear Blossom Festival kicking off in Medford. A shower possible on Friday. Saturday is trending dry, but it will be cool and breezy with highs only in the 50s. If you're going to be heading to the parade in the morning, a little bit chilly, 45 degrees at 11 a.m. when the parade kicks off in downtown Medford. Here's a look at your 7-day forecast shaping up like this. Rain likely on Thursday again. We got a dry day though tomorrow. Northern California, notice a bit warmer temperatures over the next couple days. Highs getting into the lower 70s, cooling off into the weekend. The basin winds are going to crank back up again for Thursday. Pretty blustery and breezy conditions Friday and Saturday as well, chilling down for the weekend, but highs up around 70 on Thursday. The mountains, shower chances return later Thursday. A bit of a rain snow mix with those showers on Friday. Snow levels still stay fairly high, not expecting any travel concerns by any means. And then in the Rogue Valley, we'll be a little bit warmer the next couple of days, highs in the low 70s, but dropping back into the 50s by Saturday.